How does Lyftron kind of fit in with the Snowflake environment?
Yeah, so I mean, Lyftrondata it's really an end-to-end data pipeline tool. As the diagram that you pulled up there, it's able to access on-prem and cloud-based sources. They have over 300 connectors
Wow.
that are built into the platform that you just put in the credentials, point it at the source, and then it can start moving that data, or just virtualizing it. So it's kind of a combination. It's got a virtualization engine, so you can do some federated queries using ANSI SQL against multiple sources, which is very powerful for, especially for prototyping and being agile, to see what does that data really look like, what can we do with it, can we connect the data between the different sources, and build a kind of common semantic layer
Mhm.